Hi y'all, today we're making sour cream cornbread. We're going to start off with 1 cup of self-rising cornmeal and a lot of sour cream. This is 18 ounces of sour cream. Just going to kind of dig that out of this bowl. There's a lot of it. Alright, and then who can guess what that is? Oh, I'm telling you. It's 3/4 of a cup cream style corn. Alright, and there is 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And 2 beaten eggs. Alright, and then we're just going to stir that until it is well mixed and smooth. It'll still look a little lumpy though because of the corn, but that's okay. Okay, this is a 2-quart casserole dish, and I like to make cornbread in this. But whatever you make it in, you'll need to use a non-stick spray, or you could do it the old-fashioned way and grease it with some butter. But you need to bake it at 325 Fahrenheit for 55 minutes. I have a new oven, and it did take mine longer than that. So you'll want to start keeping an eye on it when it gets around that time. Anyway, here it is. Turned out really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you give it a try. If you do, leave a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching, and as always, you've been in the kitchen with Dinah.